So free Premiere Pro plugins are one of the most searched things in editing, and it's also where people get burned. Fake download sites, cracked installers, malware wearing a plugin's name. So here's both halves, where the generally free, generally safe stuff lives and how to spot the sites you should never touch. Subscribe for honest editing content like this every week. First, the safety rule. So only ever download from a developer's own site or an established marketplace. A free download of a normally paid plugin on a mirror site is piracy plus malware. So just don't do it. So a great place is the Adobe Marketplace. The Creative Cloud app, stock, marketplaces, plugins, just filter for free and everything here is vetted. So like for Adobe Creative Cloud, for instance, I typed in GIF and you can see that it says free right here. So you can download anything that's free from here. Another place is like aescripts where I literally type in free and just hit enter. You can see that there's tons of free plugins or just pay what you want plugins. This is a great way to try them out. All these plugins are vetted and yeah, this is a really good resource for finding free stuff. And then there's like developer free tiers and starter packs. Many companies offer a free starter pack as the taste of their paid stuff. So Mr. Horse is a great example of their Premiere Composer. It's a free plugin with some free example animation inside the plugin, but you would pay for the packs to expand on it. So it starts out free, but has a paid tier. And then quick disclosure, I'm the founder of Filmit.io. We also are a plugin factory for Premiere Pro, After Effects, and DaVinci, and soon to be Final Cut Pro. We have a ton of paid plugins. It's all under a subscription model. So you get everything we offer: effects, plugins, transitions, anything we make, you get. And we release stuff every week. But we do have free tools. A really good example of one of our free tools is Shortcut. It's a shortcut application for Premiere Pro and After Effects that just adds a bunch of shortcuts to Premiere Pro. The reason this is free is that everything that Shortcut does, you can totally already do in Premiere. We just give you a shortcut to do it. So we decided that this needs to be free. Another one is GIFer. This is a plugin for DaVinci, Premiere Pro, and After Effects that allows you to insert GIFs into your timeline. It works great with our suite and it is free. So download it and try it out. Another plugin similar to GIFer is Sourcer. It is the stock media of free. So Pexels, Unsplash, and Pixabay allows you to insert pictures or videos into DaVinci, After Effects, or Premiere. You can just search right inside of the plugin and find your stuff. Once inside Premiere Pro, once you've installed the free stuff, you install Filmit Studio. Just create an account, download it. It's really easy. Go to Window, Extensions, and then Filmit Studio. Opens up this right here. It also includes all of our subscription plugins, but those show up. You just don't have to worry about those if you just want the free stuff. Go to the free section here or just open it up in Tools. Here's GIFer. Let's type in Star Wars. Go to my end of my timeline just because I can and hit Insert and then click Insert. And here's a GIF that's been inserted into my timeline. And I have it set automatically to fill the frame so it fills up the frame. But you can go from here and just start inserting stuff into your timeline and it's totally free. Shortcut is right here. It's a little docked panel. It's made to be tiny on purpose because it matches the other icons. If you highlight 3 clips, click adjustment layer, it creates an adjustment layer. If you highlight these 3 clips and do shift adjustment layer, it makes an adjustment layer above all 3 clips. This is the staircase tool. It's staircase footage and you can staircase it down. It's great for syncing. This tool is right here is the freeze frame tool. It creates a freeze frame above the clip, which is really amazing. I find it way better than frame hold. And this is the unnest. If I nested these things right here and then click this and do unnest, it unnests it for me. This is the QC marker. If I click this, it puts markers on my timeline where I have gaps or missing media. So I now know there's gaps in all these little places. And then there's Sourcer. Same thing as GIFer, but it's based on Unsplash and videos and stuff. Let's just grab a video, click insert, and here it is on my timeline. But to recap, developer sites and real marketplaces only. Free lives in Adobe's marketplace. Pay what you want, starter packs, and inside Premiere itself. The full list with links is in the description and on the blog. So as always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And feel free to try out Filmit Studio for free, 7-day free trial to all the paid plugins, but it's all on a subscription. You get access to everything, including all the effects we offer, like the VHS effect and 50 plus other effects, all included transitions, all the tools, and also the freebies. Look out for freebies. We're always releasing these too. Peace.